Hello, dear watchers. Welcome to TurboTalk's YouTube channel. We are here for new video. Forget everything you thought you knew about pickups, because the 2025 GWM Shanhai Pao Hi4-T is about to flip the script. This isn't just a workhorse. It's a high-performance hybrid beast built for adventure, tech lovers, and eco-conscious drivers alike. The Hi4-T is equipped with Great Wall Motors' new hybrid 4WD system, a 2-liter turbocharged engine paired with an electric motor. Together, they deliver an impressive 370 horsepower and 750 newton-meters of torque, making this one of the most powerful pickups in its class. Step inside and you're greeted by a cockpit that feels more like a luxury SUV than a rugged truck. With a digital display, advanced infotainment, and smart driver assists, the Hi4-T doesn't just take you places, it takes you into the future. And when the road gets rough, no problem. The Hi4-T's intelligent four-wheel drive system, high ground clearance, and off-road modes eat terrain for breakfast. Under the hood, a 2-liter turbo engine paired with an electric motor delivers jaw-dropping power without sacrificing efficiency. That's the hybrid edge. The 2025 Shanhai Pao Hi4-T features a muscular front grille, sharp LED headlights, and a strong stance. It's clearly made to look tough and futuristic, the perfect blend for modern adventurers. GWM is positioning the Shanhai Pao Hi4-T not just for China, but for international markets. Expect to see it in Asia, the Middle East, Latin America, and possibly even parts of Europe and Australia. This hybrid pickup is a perfect option for eco-conscious adventurers. It's a green step forward in the rugged world of trucks without sacrificing performance. City drive, towing gear, weekend camping trip, this truck does it all, and does it in style. The future of pickups has arrived, and it's wearing a GWM badge. Hit that like button if you're ready to ride into the hybrid era. Comment below, would you trust a hybrid pickup on the trail? Subscribe for more reviews, first drives, and auto tech breakdowns. This was your first look at the 2025 GWM Shanhai Pao Hi4-T, and trust us, it's only getting started.